Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The new SanDisk Extreme Fit series provides high-speed, compact external storage solutions for professionals using modern devices such as ultra-thin laptops and tablets. Available in capacities from 64 GB up to 1 TB, the series is specifically designed with a compact form factor and easy installation to address the industry trend of adopting USB-C ports over traditional USB ports. Key features include impressive read speeds of up to 400 MB/s superscript 2 for the 128 GB to 1 TB models, and up to 300 MB/s superscript 2 for the 64 GB model. All Extreme Fit devices are compatible with the SanDisk Memory Zone application for Windows and Mac, which facilitates easy file administration and restoration. The SanDisk Extreme Fit models are currently available for purchase globally on the brand's website and in select stores. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.